Здравствуйте, дорогие ребята! Начинаем урок английского языка в русской школе Raduga-Mönchengladbach.
It's so easy to say hello. It's so easy to say hello. It's so easy to say hello. To say hello to you. Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to speak English together again, and we'll talk about weather. So which words do you know? Rainy. It's rainy. Let's say together. It's rainy. Cloudy. It's cloudy. Snowy. It's snowy. Sunny. It's sunny. Let's do different weather. Our fingers are here. Feel the rain. It's rainy. Feel the snow. It's snowy. Feel the wind. It's windy. Feel the sun. It's sunny. And now do it with us, please. Feel the rain. It's rainy. Feel the snow. It's snowy. Feel the wind. It's windy. Feel the sun. It's sunny. And what is your favorite weather? Do you like rain?
No, I don't really like rain.
Do you like rain? Do you like snow? Do you like sunny weather? Let's go outside and see what weather is today.
It's cloudy and windy now. I don't like it. It's raining.
And now imagine it's raining here. Drip drop rain on my head. Drip drop rain on my head. Rain falls down to the ground. Drip drop rain on my head. Drip drop rain on my shoulders. Drip drop rain on my shoulders. Rain falls down to the ground. Drip drop rain on my shoulders. Drip drop rain on my toes. Drip drop rain on my toes. Rain falls down to the ground. Drip drop rain on my toes. Come on, let's go jumping in the puddles. Come on, let's go jumping in the puddles. Drip drop rain on my head. Drip drop rain on my shoulders. Drip drop rain on my toes. Drip drop rain everywhere. Why, it's raining, cats and dogs. It is so rainy today. The weather is not so good. We need magic. So let's say a rhyme together, and after that there will be no bad weather, just a sunny day. Rain, rain, go away. I don't like a rainy day. Wind, wind, go away. I don't like a windy day. Cloud, cloud, go away. I don't like a cloudy day. Fog, fog, go away. I don't like a foggy day. Sun, sun, come and stay. We just like a sunny day. Let's say it once again.
day.
Mommy, the day is so beautiful. The sun is shining and the sky is so blue.
Yes,
but
you're right. Look here. It's so good here.
But I haven't summer clothes. Can we go to the shopping mall?
That's a good idea. Let's go shopping. That's all for today. And we wish you excellent weather every day. Goodbye.
Goodbye.